So now we're gonna do extension. Obviously we're flipped over because the only way we can extend is if you're in the prone position. When you do this, again, I highly recommend that you hold their legs to stabilize, because otherwise it's really difficult for people to come into extension without having some kind of stability or base support for them. And then just let them know that you're gonna be touching their legs as you're doing it, because they're in the prone position so they can't see you. What you're gonna do then is you're gonna ask them to try to extend up. And similar to the flexion and rotation, when you ask them to do that, for a 0, nothing. For a 1, you're gonna say come up, and you're gonna be able to feel some muscle contraction, but again, you're gonna see no real major motion. For 2, you're gonna feel it, and then also they're gonna be able to kind of make this motion to come up, like you're gonna see contraction and there's gonna be some effort into extension, but they're not gonna come all the way up. For 3, they're actually gonna have their arms at their sides again, and they're going to be able to come up into an extended position. Yep. They don't have to get their entire chest up off, but they should at least be able to get their anterior shoulders in as much as they can. For a 4, because you can't cross your arms across your chest when you're in the prone position, they're actually going to move their arms so their hands are interlaced behind their head. And they're going to be able to come up, but they're going to kind of struggle bust. So either they're not going to be able to come up as much, or they're going to waver, or they're going to just kind of fall back down to the table. So there's going to be a lot of effort, but not a lot of great motion going on. And then for a 5, when they come up, they're going to be nice and strong. They're going to have really good extension. They're going to be able to hold it until you tell them to, and then a really nice controlled lower back down onto the table into a neutral position. And that is how you grade a manual muscle test for lumbar extension.